Crypto.
As cryptocurrency becomes more popular, we're starting to see signs that it could become part of our financial future.
Bitcoin surging to its first record high.
Crypto companies are becoming major contributors to the races.
Investors keep pouring money into the industry.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world.
Welcome back to Web3 Crypto, where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we are bringing you some exciting predictions for the future of Bitcoin, crypto, and this revolutionary technology from top analysts and industry leaders. We've gathered insights from Michael Saylor, Cathie Wood, Raoul Pal, and Yusko to give you a sneak peek into the future of cryptocurrency. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights. Hey everyone, my name is Lamia. Welcome to Web3 Crypto, and now let's hear what the experts have to say. First up, we have Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy and staunch advocate for Bitcoin. Saylor has led his company to become one of the largest institutional holders of Bitcoin, with MicroStrategy owning over 226,000 Bitcoin, valued at $13 billion at the time of this recording. He emphasizes the transformative power of Bitcoin and its unmatched potential as a digital asset.
I think that we're living through the Bitcoin gold rush era. And I think the Bitcoin gold rush era started January 2024. And I think it runs until around November 2034.
Saylor also highlights Bitcoin's superiority as a store of value, surpassing traditional assets like gold. Next, we will hear from Yusko, CEO and Chief Investment Officer of Morgan Creek Capital Management. Mark is a seasoned investor and a leading voice in the cryptocurrency space. He brings years of experience and the wealth of knowledge to the table. Let's hear his insights on the future of crypto.
Once BlackRock said, yep, we're in, 1%, which is not even a crazy number, is 300 billion. 300 billion is more money than has ever been, more currency, more fiat, than has ever been converted into Bitcoin.
Yusko believes we are about to see an absolute parabolic price surge in the coming weeks. He points out that just 1% of BlackRock's portfolio could open the floodgate to hundreds of billions of dollars in institutional capital. When this happens, he says we'll witness a 400% increase in Bitcoin alone, targeting 150,000, potentially leading to the biggest crypto surge yet in just a matter of months. Moving on to Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, is renewed for her forward-thinking investment strategy, particularly in disruptive technologies. She recently shared her outlook on the US and global economy, highlighting the ongoing rolling recession.
The US economy, and maybe the global economy, has been going through a rolling recession ever since the Fed started raising interest rates. I do believe that the Fed now is on high alert. Inflation is unwinding much faster than we're seeing in the traditional indexes.
That began when the Federal Reserve started raising interest rates. Wood believes that Fed is now highly vigilant as inflation is unwinding much faster than traditional indexes reflect. This, she notes, is a positive sign for risk assets, including Bitcoin. ARK Invest's long-term projection for Bitcoin is a base case of $640,000 by 2030, while the recent approval of Bitcoin ETFs has increased the likelihood of their bull case scenario, predicting a price of 1.5 million per Bitcoin by 2030. Next, Raoul Pal, the co-founder and CEO of Real Vision, continues to be a leading voice in the crypto space. Recently, Pal shared his views on the rapid adoption of cryptocurrency, highlighting the explosive growth of crypto adoption, with active wallets now at 550 million, twice the speed of the internet's growth. He predicts that by 2025, crypto could reach 1 billion users and hit 4 billion by 2030. Pal foresees the market value expanding from 2.5 trillion today to 100 trillion, making it the fastest wealth accumulation in history. Let's hear his insight on what this could mean for Bitcoin and the broader market.
My working thesis now is, you've seen me post in the past charts of the adoption of crypto. There's about 520 or 550 million wallets. It's growing at twice the speed of the internet. So if you just extrapolate that chart, you get to 1 billion users by the end of 2025 and 4 billion by the end of 2030. Okay, that's half the world. So what does that mean? Well, you can also take the log chart of Bitcoin and you can see the trend rate of growth, the exponential trend over time. What happens is the space goes from 2.5 trillion, where it is today, to, let's say at the end of this cycle, 10 trillion, maybe 12, maybe 15, and then on to 100 trillion. So that movement from 2.5 trillion to 10 trillion to 100 trillion is the trade. And that also happens to be the fastest, largest accumulation of wealth the world has ever seen. It's an equivalence to the entire baby boom generation entering into financialization, buying stocks and stuff like that.
That's all for today's video. What do you think about this prediction? Let us know in the comment below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.